Hello mga teach, we have a 10-minute break and let's make a quick video about Preply. So this is actually related to the video that I posted yesterday, yung kung pwede ba tayong magturo ng two languages or if we can create two tutor profiles on Preply. So the answer is no, we're not allowed to create two tutor profiles or teach two languages at the same time. But I have a good news for you mga teach. You can actually change the language that you teach or the subject that you teach on Preply. For example, mga teach, kung ESL teacher ka ngayon at gusto mong magturo ng Tagalog or Cebuano, pwede pong palitan yung subject na tinuturo natin kay Preply. Just ask the help of the support team. So I'll just include the email address where you can contact the support team. And please follow for more tips, tutorials, and opportunities in ESL teaching. God bless everyone.